Hey guys, ever wondered what it takes to go from 0 subscribers to a successful YouTube channel? Today I'm sharing the top secrets to becoming a successful YouTuber. First things first, find your niche. Ask yourself, what are you passionate about? Whether it's tech reviews, cooking tutorials, or lifestyle vlogs, pick something you love because that passion will shine through in your content. Next up, consistency is key. Create a content calendar and stick to it. Uploading regularly keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Remember, it's not just about quantity but quality too. Make sure your videos are well planned and edited. Now let's talk about equipment. You don't need the latest, most expensive gear to start. A decent smartphone camera, good lighting, and clear audio can go a long way. As you grow, you can invest in better equipment. Engagement is crucial. Reply to comments, ask questions, and create a community. People subscribe to channels where they feel connected. Show your personality and be authentic. Your audience wants to see the real you. SEO, search engine optimization, learn it, love it, use it. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. This helps your videos get discovered. Also, eye-catching thumbnails and compelling titles can make a huge difference. Collaborate with other YouTubers. It's a fantastic way to reach new audiences. Find creators in your niche and work together. It's a win-win situation. Don't forget about the power of storytelling. Every video should tell a story, whether it's a day in your life or a tutorial with a twist. Keep your audience hooked from beginning to end. A strong narrative keeps viewers watching and wanting more. Lastly, be patient and persistent. Growth doesn't happen overnight. Keep learning, keep improving, and don't get discouraged by slow progress. Every successful YouTuber started where you are now. So there you have it, the top secrets to becoming a successful YouTuber. Find your niche, stay consistent, engage with your audience, and above all, be authentic. Remember, your journey is unique and success is just around the corner. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let's grow together.